Hello friends, I am fine and I hope that you will be also fine. Today's story topic is Ahmed Shah Durrani. Please put on the nice comment, press bell icon and first of all you subscribe my channel so that you will receive my video easily. Thank you friend. Friends, a member of the noble Sadozai clan and the second son of Muhammad Zaman Khan, a hereditary chief of the Abdali, later Durrani tribal confederation of Afghans, Ahmed rose to command on Abdali cavalry group under the Nadir Shah of Persia. And on Nadir Shah assassination, the Afghan chiefs elected Ahmed Shah. He was crowned in 1747 near Kandahar, where coins were struck in his name and where he set up his capital. Embarking on the conquest of regions held by influential ruler, he invaded India 9 times between 1747 and 1769, supposedly with no intention of founding an empire there. After an unsupported march there of the Delhi in 1757, he plundered that city, Agra, Mathura and Vrindavan. Friends, before an outbreak of cholera among his troops forced him return to Afghanistan, Ahmed married Hazrat Begum, daughter of the Mughal Emperor Muhammad Shah. His son Taimur remained behind as viceroy of the Punjab and married the daughter of India's puppet Emperor Alamgir II. Taimur was driven out in 1758 by a force of Sikhs, Mughal and Marathas. But in 1759 to 1767, Ahmed Shah swept the Marathas from the Punjab and destroyed their large army at Panipat. So dear friends, how you like my video? Tell me in comment box. God bless you. So friend, bye. We will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.